Okay, hi everyone. Today I'm making for you scones. I'm gonna make half blueberry and half plain. Some people don't like blueberry, so anyway, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour here, a third of a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a third of a teaspoon of salt. Mix this all together and make sure you mix it well. So what I'm going to do is add some butter, but the butter has to be blended in very well. So what I'm going to do is, I had this in the freezer, so it's really cold. This is a stick of unsalted butter. And I'm going to shave it into here, or I could use this. This might be a little easier than the handheld one. So here. So this blends in really well with the flour.
When did you learn to make scones?
I used to make them for Aunt Ann. I haven't made them in a while because every time I say the word scone, it reminds me of my sister Ann. I'm not thinking of her, but sometimes it makes me sad. Almost there. I have a glove on so the butter won't slip in my hand. This finger's it's getting in there. So all of this has to be cold. There's heavy cream there and a cold egg. I'm almost there. Okay. There we go. All right. I'm taking off the glove. And I'm going to add a cup of heavy cream. And an egg. Mix it with your hand. Wow. I'm going to get some flour because I'm going to mix it together on the counter. Help me out here. All right, forget it. Pound it down until it's about an inch thick. Maybe a little less. It's going to grow a little bit because it has the baking powder in there. Oh, they look, so you could see all the little pieces of butter in there. That's what's going to make it flaky. You'll get about 6 to 8, depending on the size. And I have the oven preheating up at 425. Yeah. There we go. I don't know how I'm going to put these blueberries in. I guess I'm going to have to mix it like this and put the blueberries in and then mix it again. There we go. So there's one, a little odd shape, but nevertheless, a blueberry scone. Here you go. How's that? I'm going to put them in the oven and cook them for 12 to 15 minutes or until you see it lightly browned. I'll be back when they're done. Okay, so they're done. Look at these beautiful scones. Wow. I'm going to let them cool off and then I'm going to put a topping on it. So I took them out after 13 minutes. And now I'm going to make a little bit of a glaze. There's about a 1/4 cup of confectionery sugar in this bowl. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. And a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to mix it up. That smells good. Doesn't it? There you go. And I'm going to brush it on the scones. And there you have it. If you don't like blueberries, just make them all plain. Or if you like raisins, you could put raisins in. Some people put currants in. Whatever you like. Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips is another good one. There you go. Okay. That's really good. I hope you try it. Until next time.